In this demo, we're going to create flight booking using Logic Apps Hybrid and the built-in SAP Connector. The demo starts with requests being made from a web portal. This request payload contains JSON content and subsequently needs to be transformed to XML so that it can be sent to SAP. Once we have transformed this data, we will send the IDOC to SAP and then respond back to the caller indicating we have processed their request. Here we are in our hybrid Logic app. We can identify that we are in a hybrid Logic app as we can see a custom location and connected environment. Much like any standard Logic app, we can see our different artifacts including schemas, maps, and assemblies. Within our schemas folder, we will have the related schema for our IDOC. Within our maps folder, we will find our map that will transform a JSON payload into XML, and within our assemblies folder, we will find the prerequisite SAP NCO DLLs. Let's now explore the workflow that will process our flight booking. Our process will start with an HTTP request, and we will pass that data to our data mapper transformation that will convert it from JSON to XML. From there, we send the transformed XML to SAP. Provided the execution is successful, we will send a positive acknowledgement back to the caller, otherwise we will respond with an error message. Let's take a quick look at the new Data Mapper UX experience that allows us to transform JSON to XML messages. This feature is currently in public preview. Let's now go ahead and send in a JSON request to our Logic app and see the result of processing in our Run History view. As we can see, our transaction was successful. Let's click into that instance to further explore. Much like we experience in the cloud, we can see our execution step by step, even though the underlying data is stored in our SQL Server database. Whether you choose to run your workloads in the cloud or on-premises, customers can expect a consistent, rich experience.